Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix SOS or SOS Only on your iPhone. Now, it's fairly annoying if you see that SOS, and it comes down to there's an issue with your cell signal. So let's first just head into the settings app of your iPhone. We'll do a couple things in here to get it fixed. The first one is let's toggle airplane mode on and then wait for a few seconds and turn it back off. And let's see if at the top right, it fixes it. Sometimes it will just refresh the network settings and that will fix the SOS or SOS only, but this doesn't always fix it. If it doesn't fix it, the next thing that we're gonna do is tap on cellular here, right under Bluetooth. And you can see if you have an eSIM and it's turned off, or even if it's turned on, let's dial it off and then dial it back on. So I'm going to turn this line on. I'll walk you through steps if you have a physical SIM card as well. You can see now the AT&T, in my case, that's my cell service, and the top line is turned on. So I would recommend turning it off and then waiting for a few seconds and turning it back on. This will reconnect to your cell signal and a lot of times fix that SOS or SOS only. If you have a physical SIM card on your iPhone, you're just going to eject it with a paper clip and then clean it off and then put it back in and inject it. Now, after we've done that, let's go back out here and tap on Cell Data Options and make sure data roaming is turned on. If you go through all these steps and it's still not working, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. From the beginning of your settings, the next thing we'll try is to scroll down and tap on where it says General here. And we're going to reset the network settings on your iPhone. So scroll down to the bottom and we're going to choose where it says Transfer or Reset iPhone at the very bottom. And now we're going to choose to reset here, but we don't need to reset everything. We just need to reset the network settings, which essentially are the settings where your phone connects to the carrier. So tap on Reset Network Settings, enter in the passcode, and go through the process of resetting that. If that doesn't fix it, let's see if there's a carrier update to your iPhone. So let's go back, and then go to the very beginning. From the very beginning, let's tap on where it says General. And then next tap on About at the top. You're looking to see if there's an option that pops up that says Carrier Update Required. It'll look something like this. Carrier Settings Update. Do you want to update these carrier settings? You'll just tap the Update button. After you go through all of these steps, if it's still not working on your iPhone, an easy fix is to do a force restart on your iPhone. To do that, you're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see an Apple logo. So I'll show you how it works. Volume up here, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. We're going to keep holding it even though it says slide to power off. And then after a little bit, your entire iPhone screen will go black, just like that. And then an Apple logo will appear. When that Apple logo does appear, all we need to do is lift our finger up and it will do that force restart, fixing SOS or SOS only. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.